I've been very lucky with the care that I've received here at Singleton Hospital, including the fact that I have an excellent oncologist who sees me on a regular basis, monthly, and also I have a key worker in the shape of the specialist nurse, and her job is to receive my call on a whim. I can call her anytime I like and she will address my problem, and of course her other patients.
Y prif neges ydy bod cleifion yn cael gwybod pwy ydy, dylen nhw gael beth mae'n alw yn Saesneg, y term Saesneg, key worker, pwy sy'n gyfrifol at pwy fedra nhw fynd mor sydyn a phosib felly.
Yes, I feel that the important thing for us is to have parity with the general cancers, whereby they have a key worker, and sadly we haven't been allocated a key worker. None of us have, and indeed that is a drawback within the cancer plan.
I also think that the key worker is a wrong term to use with regard to NET patients. NET patients need a neuroendocrine clinical nurse specialist who knows all different types of NETs and all the treatments, so they can be advised on what treatments, what side effects, and all the rest of it. There's no point in having a key worker who may be a general cancer or a more common cancer nurse. She may have lots of knowledge with breast cancer, lung cancer, what have you, but she wouldn't know necessarily about NETs.
Some received information straight away. I didn't, I'll be honest.
They do give a large amount of documentation, several books, and that is down to you to read everything. Obviously down to listen to other people's experiences. But if you do not read the book, then I can understand why they didn't understand what's going on with them, because they haven't read the literature. But I do feel the literature is given. It is down to you at home to not put it in the bin and read it and absorb.
In whatever treatment they're having for the cancer, maybe, to explain it maybe a bit simpler, or because there's a lot of technical terms, and you know, there's a lot of, you know, this, that and the other, and I think sometimes you just need, you know, the basics, go back to basics, you know, this will happen, that will happen, not any other way.
So ni'n dweud bod angen gofal seicolegol, deud y gwir, i'r claf. Na'n ffodus, dydy hynny ddim yn digwydd. O ddim yn aml iawn beth bynnag dio. Ac bod y claf yn cael rhywun i ateb i bryderon o. Yr rhan fwyaf yn teimlo, efallai na dydy'r gofal yna ddim i gael, yn enwedig i'r person sydd yn gofalu chi fel eich cymar, eich partner, eich priod.